what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today, I know it is very late into summer already, but I wanted to do kind of like a summer essential type video where I talk about some things that I think are good for summer. There's like a mixture of makeup and body care and like stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys today, and let's just get on in. Alright, so first things first, I just want to start off by saying obviously sunscreen and stuff like that is very essential to summer. I do have some sunscreen with me, but I don't really like it's put away in my drawer over there and I really don't want to get it out. But I think mine was just like the Walmart brand because it was cheaper and like whatever, and I don't really care. But I always get like SPF 50 or above. I never get anything below that because I think it's kind of pointless because you have to reapply so often and I burn really easily. So anyway, sunscreen is the first essential. But besides sunscreen, the second essential I think for summer is definitely the Batiste dry shampoo. I mean, I always use Batiste like year round, but I think specifically the tropical scent is like the best scent. It smells like coconuts and exotic flavors and stuff like that. I think it smells super amazing. This is like my favorite dry shampoo brand ever. I've tried a few and this is the one I always go back to. So I buy like the biggest bottle because it lasts me longer, and this smell is literally magnificent. If you love coconut, I really suggest checking out this tropical one. Alright, so next what I have is a couple of fragrances. Now these are not like high-end fragrances or anything. These are more of like body sprays. They're from Bath & Body Works. I personally love Bath & Body Works. I know that they don't last as long on me, but I really don't mind spraying myself again and again and again to keep the scent there. Like, I don't want to say it doesn't last either, but it doesn't like last really long. Like, because I can still smell it a couple hours after I've sprayed it, but like I can't wear it all day without reapplying and still smell it. Does that make sense? That makes sense. Okay. So anyway, I have two scents for you guys today, and I personally think the At the Beach scent is perfect for summer because I know I don't get to go to the beach every day, but this smells like you are at the beach and it's just amazing. I love the smell of it. It's just so clean and fresh and like, but not like clean and fresh like cotton or like a linen-y, is that a word? Or like a linen scent. It's just perfect. And I actually have it as well in a body butter. I think body butters are perfect. I need them all the time, especially during the summer when my skin's drying out, especially if I've been in the sun a lot and whatnot. So I have the scent At the Beach. This is from Bath & Body Works as well. But again, you can get any kind of like summery scent, and just like in these body butter tubs, it's their super soft body butter with shea butter and coconut oil, which is awesome and super hydrating. Then the next perfume body spray that I have for you guys is the Waikiki Beach Coconut fragrance. Now this one smells like a tropical vacation. If you don't like coconut, you're obviously not gonna like this, but it smells like I'm just like in the Bahamas, like relaxing, drinking out of a coconut little cup and just chilling. I have no worries, you know. Although I've never been to the Bahamas, I'm pretty sure this is what it would smell like. It has like a hint of like floral to it, and then there's that coconut strong scent in there. It just smells so good. I love this scent and I would definitely recommend checking it out. Spray it at Bath & Body Works if you haven't smelled it before. So good. And then the last scent I wanted to mention is this Physicians Formula Butter Paradise scent. I don't know if this is still available. I'm pretty sure it is on their website, but I haven't seen it like in Walmart recently. I know you can get it on Ulta, but I don't know if they're still doing that. But anyway, this is a wonderful, just delicious, buttery scent. This just smells like a vacation in a bottle. I love this thing so much. I actually bought two of them initially, and I already went through one of them. And I'm trying to savor this one because I want it to last forever. But Physicians Formula, you need to come out with this in a single so we can buy it instead of in that whole package because, girl, I don't need all the other things again. I already bought twice, so now I have two bronzers. What am I going to do with that? Giveaway. But anyway, this scent just smells so good. It does smell exactly like paradise. I would say that the scent is not as strong as if you sell the butter bronzer. It's not as strong as that, but I actually prefer this because if it was as strong as that, it may be too overpowering, whereas this is not. Okay, the next thing I wanted to mention is a candle from Bath & Body Works. This thing smells so incredibly good. This is their Girl Power candle. First of all, this is so cute, the little girl power. Like, I love that. This candle smells so delightful. It's scented strawberry cupcake, and the fragrance notes says it's a juicy red strawberry, sparkling sugar, and vanilla cake, which I really smell the vanilla. The first time I smelled it, I just thought it was vanilla, but then I could smell, once my sister told me that it was actually strawberry cupcake, I could smell the hint of strawberry. So it's not mainly strawberry. I personally think it's more vanilla, but it has that hint of strawberry, which makes it wonderful. And it's just so good. I love burning candles. I think this is like a perfect summery candle. And Bath & Body Works is always doing sales. I think right now they're doing sales on their candles for $10.50, and that's when I got this one, was for $10.50. So check it out. Okay, now moving into like makeup type things. I did want to mention this Smashbox Photo Finish primer water. This is in the scent So Chill Coconut. Now I love their primer water to begin with. I hate paying the price for it, so I only buy it when it goes on sale during like the Ulta event or whatever, like the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. But I bought this on sale as well. This is the Smashbox. Did I already say it? I think I already said it. But this is the coconut scented one. This is a perfect scent for summer. I am obsessed with coconut, like anything coconut or cucumber, I will buy it. And this was no exception to the rule. I had to have this and I've been loving it. I just think it's a perfect base for all your makeup to start, and I really love the nozzle on this. It smells so good, and I just think it is a perfect staple for summer. Now, a few other things that I wanted to mention before we leave here today are some blushes. Now, in the summer, personally, I love to wear like the bright peachy blushes, or like the ones with shimmer in them and stuff like that. So I wanted to recommend 3 to you guys today if you're looking for a good blush. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush, and I have this one in the shade Natural Glow. Now this is a beautiful blush. It is, like it says, a natural glow, but I think it just adds the most beautiful glow to your cheeks, a nice shimmer, and it's not too overpowering. Like sometimes shimmery blushes look like too much, but this one is not. It's perfect. Love it. And I think these are really interesting formula. I love these butter blushes. I have 2 of them. It's really good. Plus, it smells good. Again, another blush I would like to recommend to you guys is an old cult classic, but if you haven't heard of it, you're about to, and if you have heard of it, you might already own it. But this is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. This is just a stunning peachy corally blush, and it has those little flecks of shimmer in there, but on your cheek, again, it's not too overpowering, and I just think it is absolutely stunning. It looks good every day. It's a nice glowy blush. It's good for summer, and again, the formula is amazing, and I just really love this blush. The last blush I wanted to recommend to you guys is kind of new to my collection. This is the Burt's Bees, I can't ever say it. The Burt's Bees blush in the shade Bare Peach. Try saying that like 10 times fast. Anyway, this is again another like peachy, corally, shimmery blush. There is a pattern here. These are the types of blushes I love during the summer. I think it's stunning. It does have those flecks of glitter in there, but I think this one is a little more subtle than the Milani Luminoso. This one is more subtle in my opinion, and I think it is a little bit more subtle than this one in the shimmer area. Now this is a deeper color, this one is a lighter color, but in the shimmers I don't think it is as shimmery. So if you're someone who is scared to use a shimmery blush but wants a little hint of shimmer, I think this would be a great option for you, and it is a beautiful color, stunning as well, and it fits the theme of this like summery glow thing. Okay, and lastly what I wanted to mention is lip products. I think lip products are something that totally stand out in the summertime, and it is fun to put like fun colors on your lips and go around walking about. This is like my fun color. So the one actually that is on my lips right now is the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in collaboration with Kathleenlights, and this is the shade Rev. This is a beautiful, beautiful, vibrant orange color. It is not coming off as vibrant on camera as it is in person. Like this is crazy, like neon. Like the first time I put this on, I was kind of scared, and to be honest with you, I'm not a person who loves walking around in like bright lip colors just because I get like really anxious. I don't know why. I get super anxious about like people like, oh, they're gonna stare at me or whatever. But I've been trying to rock colorful lips more often, and this is the one that I really love. I think this is perfect for summer. You can do it with like minimal makeup or more like fancied up like I kind of did today. I have kind of 2 colors that are similar here. These are just 2 that I own. You can really get any brand in the color that I'm like talking about, but it's like this pink color. I think this is a really stunning color. I have the Clinique Chubby Stick Intense Moisturizing Lip Color Balm in the shade Plushest Punch. It's just like a super vibrant pink color, and it's not like neon pink, but it's like pink enough, you know what I'm saying? It's like pink enough. And then I have this Bite Beauty one in the shade Chabliss. I think I said that wrong, but it's almost like the same color. They are really similar and stunning, but these kind of colors are super pretty during the summer months, especially going with like the theme of like pink kind of stuff. I love that. And I've worn these a couple times and I really like them. And then there's two more ones that I wanted to mention. These are almost like sort of the same color. I have two, one from Wet n Wild in the shade Nudist Peach, and then one from Palladio, and it's the Casey Holmes collab in the shade Georgia. Now these are really similar. They're not exactly the same, I can tell you that right now, but they are like more peachy kind of colored lips and they look absolutely stunning. I love wearing these during the summer month. Now, if you wanted to choose one of the two, I would say that I actually like the Nudist Peach color on my lips better, but I like the formula of the Palladio one better. So, I mean, that's your choice if you want to choose one of these two, but like any brand in these kind of colors is kind of what I'm saying, like, would be a nice staple go-to for the summertime. Also, one thing I wanted to mention is I don't really have a specific product that I wanted to say, but like just like any highlight like on your shoulders for like the summer months. Can you see it? Can you see the glow? Can you see it? I can see it and it makes me happy. So like I love to put glow on my shoulders and like on my collarbone, which it's covered up now so there's not anything there, but like anything. I used a liquid highlighter today, which I actually don't like the liquid highlighter, but I've been using it on my shoulders because it gives a nice like pop and glow. But yeah. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, stay tuned for my 100 subscribers giveaway. You guys get your friends over here, y'all get them to subscribe, and we will do our giveaway. Anyway, that is everything for today's video. Let me know if you guys like this, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see from me in the near future in the comments down below. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!